welcome to my channel. My name's Alondra and today I'm going to be doing an 80s look. It is inspired by the 80s because I've been watching and I've been obsessed with Call Me By Your Name, so I got influenced a little by that decade. So if you like what I did to my face, then keep on watching. Okay, so now I'm gonna prep my face with the Badescu green tea spray, and I'm gonna have a little cheese it because I am hungry. And I'm gonna go in with a Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. I believe this is the shade Sand, and I'm just gonna apply it under my dark circles, my red spots, and any blemishes I have on my face. I like to do concealer before, sometimes my foundation, because I do use a BB cream, so it is a lot sheer, and this adds a little bit more coverage if I have a little red spots, and it is more natural looking than if I were to actually get full coverage foundation, personally for me. And now I'm gonna buff it out with a Real Techniques brush. This is just any stiff brush would work as well. I'm gonna just blend it out and then also blend it out over my eyelids just to have like a little primer for my eyeshadow. And now I'm gonna go in with my BB Cream Pure foundation from Maybelline. This is the one with the salicylic acid, so it helps with acne a lot. And I'm just gonna blend it out with the same blending brush. That's blended, I am gonna go and set my face with the e.l.f. HD powder, the translucent shade, and I'm gonna use my Eco Tools full powder brush. And I love Eco Tools, it is so inexpensive, their brushes are amazing. And I'm just gonna blend that out. And also a good thing about the e.l.f. powder is only $6, so it's very affordable. And now I'm gonna do my Benefit Hoola Toasted Bronzer. This is their darkest shade, and I'm just going to use a MAC contour brush, and I'm just going to try to chisel my cheekbones, just trying to make myself look like a marble statue, if you know what I mean. I'm going to blend that out with my powder brush. Now I'm going to do my blush. I use the Anastasia blush trio, and I use the two pinky shades with any fluffy brush, and I'm just going to apply it to the apples of my cheeks and also the tip of my nose to add a little health glow to my skin so I don't look like a ghost. And now I'm going to go with my eyebrows. I use an angled brush by Smashbox, and I'm just going to go in with my Morphe 350 or 350 palette, and I'm going to use just any brown shade that looks or resembles to my natural brow hairs. And I'm just going to naturally fill it out, and I'm going to go with the shape of my natural brow. I try not to shape them as much. All I'm trying to do is just to fill them in, fill any spots that, you know, just need to be filled in. I don't know how else to explain it. And usually my brows are the one thing that takes so long. I mean, other than like blending, my foundation, I blend it so much. I take like 5 minutes just blending my foundation, even though it doesn't need any more blending. But my eyebrows too, I need to like make sure that they are on point, you know, like they are the focal point of your face. They are the main girls, you know what I mean? So now I'm going to use my Benefit Gimme Brows product, and I like this product because it fills in your brows and also tames them with their little brush. You can use this without like actually filling out your brows prior. You can just use it if you're like on the go. It's a great product for doing your brows like in less than a minute. So now I'm going to do my eyeshadow. I use a fluffy brush, and I use a Morphe 35B palette today, and I'm just going to go in right now with any light shade as like a base shade to help blend out colors. And I'm not going to use that shade, no. I'm going to go with the baby pink shade. I like to do lightest shade to the darkest shade. It helps blend out the colors and look more airbrushed and just not too harsh as if you were to do darkest to lightest. So now I'm going to go in with that purple shade right there. And the beauty about this palette is that their shadows are kind of sheer, so you can go in with just a natural look like this right now, or you can just build them up. They're very buildable. They're amazing. So now I'm gonna go in with this sparkly like version of that shade. I'm just gonna put it into the inner corners and blend it outwards a little bit. And then I'm gonna go in with this cool purpley blue like holographic shade. It's very shimmery and I really like it. It really gives me 80 vibes. And I just, you know, I look like one of them holographic queens, you know what I mean? And now I'm just gonna go in with the bottom lash line. I'm gonna use a stiff side of my brush and I'm just gonna use the blue shade, just any blue shade. I'm just gonna blend it out underneath my waterline. And I'm gonna go in with this sparkly blue shade, or like the version of that shadow, just to add a little bit more pigment and shock and just really like make my eyes pop. And as you can see, I have some fallout on underneath my eyes. So what I do is I don't freak out. I just use my blending foundation brush and kind of just blend it out and, you know, kind of just clean it up a little bit. Now I'm gonna curl my lashes. I use this Kala Rose Gold eyelash curler I got from TJ Maxx for $5, and I'm gonna do my Benefit Roller Lash Mascara. The beauty about this mascara is that you don't even need to you don't even need to curl your lashes. You can just put on your mascara without curling your lashes because they curl for you. I just do it because I like I like how it makes my eyes pop more if I extra curl it. I'm also gonna add some mascara to the bottom of my lashes. I know a bunch of people don't do it, but I like to because it really makes my eyes stand out and make them look more awake. Now that we have the eyes done, all I need to do really is just do my lips. So I'm just gonna go in with the Burt's Bees balm just to moisturize my lips because my lips are dry, and I'm gonna use a Smashbox gloss. This gloss was like $21. I would recommend ColourPop because it's a lot cheaper. I just got this because I worked at a makeup store and I'm very impulsive, so I bought it, and I really like the pretty pink colors. I like anything that looks pretty. Like the packaging, I will buy it for most of the time. And that is my look. And now I'm going to do my hair. And that is me with my actual styled hair. Yes, yes, queen, you work it. Feeling myself with my cute little outfit. Thank you guys for watching, and if you like this video, leave a thumbs up down below and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this in the future. I love you guys all. Goodbye.